Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and let's quickly see how Hot Reload works in SwiftUI. I've run a demo project. It have one just content view, a VStack with Apple logo and hello world. So what we'll do it, let's refresh this to hello world, and without stopping or rerunning the application, I can click on this simulator screen and see it's updated. So behind the hood, what is happening is I'm using injection 3, and at the same time, whenever there is a file change, it compiles it and reload the view. So let's say, for example, here I'll use globes, globe, and click here. So there is no globe icon, right? That's why it didn't show anything. So again, let's get back to apple.logo, click here and see our Apple logos came back. We can play around with all the stuff. Let's say we change the font weight, font weight to bold. Click here and it's bold again. So let's see how to set up this in the project step by step. Hmm. So step one is go to injection 3. Okay, the link is in the description. You can go and check directly. Um, Go to this link and scroll down. Go to GitHub release or Mac App Store. If you don't trust the application, you can obviously download from Mac App Store. Else, you can download it from the latest, whatever the latest version is based on this Inject app. So you can download the app directly from here. So once it is downloaded, unzip it and move the app to application folder, this folder. Okay. So the app looks like this. And the moment you open it, you can see it on top of the menu bar. Let's say I have this project which I want to enable hot reloading. What I will do is I'll click here, open. So you can see there is no project written, right? So I will add a directory. I'll navigate to my desktop and then hot reload folder and I'll select this. Step 2 is like open the project, go to package dependency, and what's the package name is. So now go to this link. The link is in the description again, and scroll down a little bit and get this URL. Using this URL, you can install it. Using this URL, you can install the inject in SPM folder. You just have to click here, search directly, and then install. I've already installed it. That's why I'm ignoring it. Okay. The moment this is installed, I believe you are halfway done. Now, the third step is go to hot reload, build settings, search other links. Okay. So this is the other link flag. The moment you see this, double click it and add this to file, how it is visible here, right? I pasted the word in the description. Okay. Once this is done, go to your view and import inject. Once inject is done, you call this line of code, observe object private var io inject observer, and end of the body, not the vstack. Okay, end of the body, you have to write enable injection. Once this is done, you can run the project. The moment you run the project, you'll see something like this. See, injection 3 connected, user Abdul desktop. What we have added it here, the directory, whatever we have added. Okay, and let's say for example you want to change hello world to like subscribe to support. Okay, the moment it's done, click on this. It's calling, it's reloading, and you have updated value. So, it works with most of those things. Let's say tint, I'll make it black. Okay, I click here, it's updated to black. So it works with almost all the text. So this is one small demo. The link is in the description. You can play around and Hope this helped. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. It supports me a lot to make such interesting video, explore other frameworks, and steps are in the description. If you have any issue, you can comment down below. I'll reply it upfront. Thank you.